So the QNED and QNED Evo. The real difference between these two is basically the generation plus the backlight or color tech improvements. Not a totally different TV type, okay? Both are still LCD TVs with mini LED backlighting. But Evo is like LG's new premium tire. So the key difference is that the color technology. So the QNED uses quantum dot plus nanocells for color enhancement, whereas the QNED Evo uses the new dynamic QLED color system. So the QNED Evo generally has a better color volume and more natural tones and improved accuracy, especially in bright scenes. And the picture processing as well. The QNED AI processors depends on model. It uses an older Alpha AI processor, whereas the QNED uses the new Alpha AI processor. So the QNED Evo has a better HDR rating and sharper upscaling than in picture processing, and the brightness and mini LED refinement as well. So the QNED Evo usually has more refined local dimmer and better contrast control. In terms of gaming and features as well, so the QNED Evo models tend to add or improve more higher refresh rates and better VRR and FreeSync performances. Like the smart features like in QNED Evo is also newer. It has newer web operating system versions as well. So the bottom line is like the if the prices are close for you, like if the prices are pretty much close, then QNET Evolution will be a better buy for you. But if there is a big price gap, then the standard QNET itself can be still an excellent value. Like it's pretty much, it will do the job as well.